Hello everyone, this is Honda 2006 Honda Civic automatic, and there was a leak from the oil pressure switch from the transmission, which is a small tiny switch. You can see from here. I'll show you from the bottom. And I just replaced the battery. I just removed the battery from here, and I'll show you where it's located. Okay, so there is the oil pressure switch, which is a very tiny switch and is attached to the transmission, and it was leaking from the switch actually, and it's attached with the harnesses, and we'll show you the harnesses. This was the harness. This was attached to this switch, and I just realized that it was start leaking and I was losing the transmission oil. So I just unplugged it, and as you can see here, the washer looks pretty bad, and it's from this side, from the washer side. As you can see, the washer is gone almost. So that was the reason it was start leaking, and I was losing some oil from the transmission. So we're going to replace this. I'm going to put the new washer, and then should be okay. Okay, so this is the switch, and as you can see, this is the bad washer or sealing, whatever you can say, happened to this, and the oil start leaking from the transmission, just from this joint. So I bought this new one, and I'm going to replace this by putting this on. So I just installed with the new washer right there, you can see, and the way to tight this or open this is not from here. It's very hard to open from here, from the bottom. So what you can do is, as I remove the battery here from the top, and this is the tool I used to open it. Very easy. You just need a little space here. You can't open it from here because there is no space here. The only way you can open it here, there's a space here. You can put this here too, as you can see here, and just put your hand all the way down, as you can see, and you can easily open or tight right here from there. So you can use this space here, just beside the place where the battery was, from here, and use the tool to open it. You can't open from the bottom or from the top. So if anyone having this problem, I hope he can able to resolve this. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.